Y'all, welcome back. I'm struggling a little bit tonight because I done tried to record this video about 3 dang times. Actually, it's been a couple more than that, but I really don't need to sit here and bore y'all with the whatever. So, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where I just be having my little ramble rants, where I just be expressing my trader's thoughts or feelings or whatever I got to say. So, I just want to hop up here real quick. I got a quick little minute, so this is going to be a real short one. Tonight's video is all about staying out of the market whenever you are unclear in which direction you want to take. Staying out of the market when you are unclear, uncertain, hesitant, when the market is not making sense, when you're not seeing one way pull more to which side that you really want it to, stay out. I'm trying to tell you that right there. I would say y'all about a couple thousand with that one. A couple thousand. Because it gets to the point where you sitting watching the chart and it's like, okay, I see all this, it's got all this liquidity up here, like price definitely gonna have to go run that out, or it's an order block over there, like price gonna have to drop down too, like it could really sell. And then she gotta take out all these lows, but then she gotta go fill that gap up there, like it'd be too much. She gotta take out this high from yesterday. She definitely gonna take out the low from Asian. Like it'd be too much. You don't know what's going on. So don't do that. You're going to, oh my God, it is so aggravating. Like you're gonna stress yourself out so much with that, because it really give you that mentality to finally enter, and now you're entering and it runs straight to your stop loss. Okay, cool. Price gonna go the other way. Let me go ahead and put another trade in the opposite direction. You know what? Let me throw a little extra contract on there, just so I can make it up, because price is clearly going to push this way. Okay, cool. Price might start pushing that way just a tad bit. Then bam, straight to your stop loss. Okay, clearly she needed to dig down a little bit deeper. Now I can see I can get back in on the retrace or the pullback. Yeah, let me throw a couple extra contracts up there because now I don't even need that much. I just need it just to push just a little bit. As soon as you push that button, price shoot the other way, and it's too late. It's too late. It's too late, bro. Like, calm down. Sorry. Yeah, that right there stresses me out. So it's really just best when you really don't know what's going on. And hey, let me just also say this. When you don't know what's going on, that's okay. You don't have to know every single thing. Like, it's not always going to be like that. So that's okay. Just don't get hung up on the fact of if you was indecisive and then price did actually run some whichever way you wanted it to go. Don't beat yourself up about that. You was unsure. You didn't feel comfortable. Like, you don't have to force yourself to do anything when it comes to the market. Like, it's going to be plenty more opportunities to trade. Like, you have, it's only one trade. It's only one trade. I promise you, I promise you, I promise you. It may not be tomorrow. It may not be at the end of the week. It may not even be this month, but I promise you, price is going to have an even crazier move sometime soon. I promise you. Like, that's the one thing I said. Like, even though price doesn't always do the exact same thing, like she does, but in different ways, that's exactly what I'm talking about too. Like, she's going to do it again. She's going to do it again, and sometimes the next time she do it be even crazier. So don't be sad about that kind of stuff. So, moral story tonight: when in doubt, sit it out. Because no, I'm just trying to help you, bro. Like, I'm really just trying to help you. I'm really just trying to help you. It's gonna save you so much. That's really all I got to say. I don't want to keep harping on it because I'll get myself riled back up. And like I said, this was supposed to be short and quick. I don't even know how long I was going. I zoned out. So hopefully this one is a short one. But yes, I'm telling you, when in doubt, sit it out. And honestly, this is my last little tidbit for today. Last little tidbit. Whenever you are this gonna make me very upset about that. I'm going to have to rewatch this and see if I need to take that out. I'm probably not going to take it out because I told you I'm not doing I don't have time for all that. Okay, focus. Jesus Christ, Tab. Okay, I said when in doubt, sit it out. Okay. My other thing is whenever you can't make a decision, but you're trying really hard and you might be able to see something, this is just in case you really do see it. Like one side is pulling more to the other. So just in case. That one is when in doubt, zoom out so you can see the bigger picture. Every time frame matters. I'll make another video about that tomorrow. That'll probably be the video I make in the morning. Every time frame matters. And if you on these lower time frames and that's why you're being indecisive, zoom the freak out. It will make so much sense. And do it step by step. If you are on the 1 minute, go to the 5 minute. After the 5 minute, look at the 15. After the 15, look at the hour. Look at the 2 hour or the 4 hour, whichever one you prefer. And just look what does price actually look like it's heading for. And if that even shows you that, yeah, this is the one that makes the most sense, then yeah, that's what you go with. But I would advise you to go in with a small risk because you was indecisive in the beginning. So always protect your capital. That's the number one rule. That's all I got. Godly. I hope this video wasn't long. I don't even know when I started, but it's time for me to go. I hope that y'all have a blessed night, blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, blessed year. Whenever you're seeing this. If you liked any part of this video, even just a little bit of it, hit the thumbs up button for me, please. Please, let's do that for me. Leave me a comment on what part of the video made you laugh, like as soon as, or not laugh, but what part of the video made you be like, okay, yeah, this makes sense, or I like this part of the video. Tell me in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss no more videos. This thing is y'all really about to start seeing who I really am. I'm really, really actually crazy. You got to be crazy, Trey. See, I'm talking again. We're not doing this. The video is over. It's time for me to go. Y'all have a great night. Love y'all.